Hi, welcome back, friends, for another first grade virtual summer video lesson with Mrs. Maldonado. I have another 3D shape lesson for you today in math. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to match each shape with its name, and we have the 3D shape names right here. We have a cylinder, we have a sphere, we have a cube, and we have a cone. Okay, and the other side, on the right side, we have a ball, we have a tin can, we have a cone, and we have a die. Okay, so a cylinder, boys and girls, if you recall, is shaped similar to what I am going to draw here. So that is a cylinder. A sphere is round, and we're going to draw this to make it 3D. Okay, a cube, the easiest way for me to draw a cube is to draw two squares just like that, and then connect all of the vertices, all the corners. Okay, and a cone would be like an upside down triangle and then an oval to give it that 3D shape. Okay, so a cylinder. Which one of these items looks like a cylinder? It would be the tin can. Which one of these items looks like a sphere or is a sphere? Right there, that is a ball. And a cube would be the die, and the cone would be this cone here. Okay, so those are our 3D shapes matched with the items that we see in real life. Okay, which of the following items are shaped like a cube? Check all that are true. Remember, a cube looks like this. Okay, so I am going to draw it for you. So just draw two squares, and then we're going to connect all the corners or all the vertices. So which one of these items looks like that? Well, this one is round. It cannot be that one. This is a globe. Then we have a box. This box does look like a cube. Okay. And then we have another die, and that also resembles a cube. And then we have a party hat. That does not match our 3D shape of a cube. Which of the following items are shaped like a cylinder? Check all that are true. Well, a cylinder, boys and girls, is like this. Okay, we have the two faces or the two bases are in circular form. Okay, so we have a flashlight, we have a metal tube, we have a globe, and we have a computer hard drive. Okay, we can see that by looking at these items and by looking at this cylinder that the flashlight matches it, and so does the metal pipe. Okay, so we are going to move on to our next shape. Let's see what we have. And we have a question: which of the following items are shaped like a sphere? Check all that are true. So let's remember what a sphere looks like. It's round, and then I'm going to draw this in the center to give it that 3D look. Okay, so we have a beach ball, we have a bowling ball, we have a party hat, and we have a brick. Okay, so we see that the beach ball is round. That is a sphere. And we know that the bowling ball is also round, so that is also a sphere. Which of the following items are shaped like a cone? Check all that are true. So boys and girls, a cone could go either direction. Okay, so I'm going to make a V, kind of like an upside down triangle. And then I am going to draw an oval on the inside to give it the three-dimensional look. Okay, and then we have a triangle, and then again the oval. So that would be a cone. Okay, does the flashlight resemble a cone? No, it does not. What about a party hat? The party hat does. It actually looks just like that one. Okay, so a party hat is a cone. Then we have a cube. The cube does not resemble the shape. And then we actually have a cone that we use for ice cream, right? So that resembles this one. Okay, so we're going to check that one off. Which of the following items are shaped like a circle? Check all that are true. Okay, so when it goes back to a circle, boys and girls, that means that a circle is a 2D shape. That means that it's not 3D. That means that it's not something that we can actually hold. It's a flat shape, and it's something that we can just draw. Okay, not something we can hold, an item. Okay, so a circle would be this. Okay, and then the sphere would be something, like I said, that we can hold, the three-dimensional shape. So this is shaped like a circle. Okay, that is not round like a ball, it's flat. And we have a brick. The brick is not circle. And then we have a cone. The cone is not a circle. Then we have a wreath. Okay, a wreath is also shaped like a circle. So we have the penny, and we also have a wreath. Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to enjoy a 3D little shape video. Okay, so please join me for that.
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone.
They're all 3D shapes.
There are many places to find a sphere, like if a tennis ball happens to roll near. You can shoot a sphere playing basketball, and you see one in the sky when the moonlight falls. Planets are spheres, whether red or blue. The bearings and machines are tiny spheres too. Marbles are spheres that roll around. Spheres are exercise balls that bounce up and down. Spheres are shapes that are perfectly round, like balls that tend to roll along the ground.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
One kitchen cylinder is a soup can. They look the same from New York to Japan. Pens can be cylinders we use every day. Power poles are cylinders that bring power our way. Toilet paper rolls are cylinders too, if the missing bases are added by you. Some jars might be cylinders as well. When it comes to straws, it can be hard to tell. Cylinders have two circular bases that are congruent parallel faces.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
The Egyptian pyramids stand very tall. Those umbrellas look like pyramids before rainfall. Trees can look like pyramids touching the sky. A pyramid block of cheese, give it a try. Some house rooftops are pyramids too, and some perfume bottles with scents that are new. Pyramid shaped paperweights on a desk, looking their best as they stand so picturesque. With the base and apex and faces, pyramids are found in the most wondrous places.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D shapes.
If you roll dice, then you roll cubes. Pirate crystal cubes can be grown in tubes. Blocks are cubes, much of the time. Clocks can be cubes, making hourly chimes. A box in the mail might be a cube shape. Ice cubes can cool your ice cream shake. Some cube containers store food in the fridge, and some concrete cubes can hold up a bridge. The faces of a cube are all a square, so we can spot them almost anywhere.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the microphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all cones can hold vanilla ice cream. Hats on witches are cones that might make you scream. Orange cones can show dangers in the road. Teepees are cones that make a great abode. Castle turrets are cones to watch outside. A flashlight's cone of light is a great night guide. Cone-shaped cups may hold something to eat. Some shoes look like cones when they're on your feet. With a circular base and a pointy vertex, cones are always a favorite 3D object.
Let's go!
Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, singing through the megaphone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone, all 3D shapes.
3D
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
Alrighty, boys and girls. So now we've enjoyed that wonderful video. So now let's review. Okay, so one of our 3D shapes is a sphere. Okay, and that's how we write the word sphere. And if you want, boys and girls, you can do this along with me. We are going to draw these 3D shapes. So a sphere is round. Okay, so it has to be round because it rolls. Okay, and then we're going to draw kind of like an oval on the inside because we know that it is round and it's something we can roll. It's not a flat shape. Okay, then we have a cylinder. Okay, and that's how we spell our 3D shape, cylinder. Okay, and to draw that one, boys and girls, we are going to make two parallel lines. Okay, that means right next to each other. Okay, and then we're going to draw an oval here and an oval here. Okay, so kind of looks like a can. Okay, that is a cylinder. That's a 3D shape of a cylinder. The next one we are going to draw, boys and girls, is a cone. Okay, and a cone, we know that it could be upside down or right side up. Okay, so we are going to first draw a V like this. Okay, and we are going to also draw an oval on the inside, kind of resembling an ice cream cone. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over. Okay, we're gonna go like this, do it upside down. Okay, and an oval again. Now that one resembles more like a party hat. Okay, now the last shape that we're going to draw, boys and girls, this one's a little bit more steps. It's more steps, but I know you can do it. Okay, so once you get the hang of it, you're going to say, wow, that was pretty easy. It wasn't so hard after all. Okay, so I want you to draw, and we're going to draw a cube. Okay. So that's the last 3D shape that we're going to draw. We're going to draw a cube. So I am going to draw a square right here. Okay. And then I'm going to draw another square over it or on top of it right here. Okay. So draw your two squares just like that. One on top of the other. You could actually see a little square right here. So you can see a little square right there. Okay, with two squares, I put them on top of each other, then I made a little square there. Okay, then we're going to connect all the corners, okay? All the vertices, we're going to connect them. There's one, and there's one there. There's one there, and the last one's right there. So there we have it. Now we have a cube. All right, boys and girls, so those are 3D shapes that you can draw, okay? We have a sphere, we have a cylinder, we have a cone, and we have our cube. All right, so I want you to practice drawing those 3D shapes. Now we are going to go to the next page, boys and girls, and now it's going to be your turn to go on to log on to MobyMax, okay? And these are the steps on how to do it, how to log on to MobyMax. So first of all, you're going to go on to www.mobymax.com. Okay, then we are going to step number 1. When you log on to MobyMax, you're going to see this on the top of your page. You are going to go to this Sign In orange tab there. Okay, you're going to click on that. And then we're going to move right along to step number 2. Okay, make sure that when you are logged in, that you come to this page, boys and girls, that you are signing in as a student. Okay, because teachers can also sign in, parents can also sign in, and other people can also sign in. So for you to be able to do your lessons, you have to log in as a student. And what you are going to do on this page, you're going to go to step number 3, because you are going to enter a school name right here, okay, which is step 3. Under school name, you're going to type in Guadalupe Center, and I will write it for you right here. And if you want to write it on a piece of paper, okay, Guadalupe, and then we're going to leave a finger space, and then we're going to write center, Center. And you are going to click find. Okay, after you type it in, type in your school name, you're going to click find, and you're going to see that Guadalupe Center is going to come up. Okay, so click on that and hit enter. Okay, then we are going to step number 4. We want to verify that we are still in as a student. And if we typed in Guadalupe Center correctly, we are going to see Guadalupe Center come up on our page. Okay, and this is also the page where you are going to enter your lunch number or your student number for your username and your password. So remember, it's going to be the same thing, the same numbers for your username and also for your password. Then we're moving on to step number 5. Okay, once you type in your lunch number and for username and password, you're going to come to this page. You're going to see an icon with some books. Okay, you're going to click on that. Once you click on that, then you are going to step number 6. And for step number 6, boys and girls, you are going to go into the math icon. Once you click on that math icon, you will be able to see your math lesson. You also have other choices, other things that you can do here. You can do fact fluency. There's also reading. There's writing. There's also science, social studies. There's sight words, boys and girls. There's Dolch words. Are a lot of things that you can do here. But for right now, we are focusing on our math. So you might have the same lesson that I just did, or you might have another lesson. So this could be either a new lesson for you, or it could also be a review. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today, and I will see you next time.